Intro music. Hey everyone, welcome back to Matthews Tech. Today we're diving into an exciting new release, the Honor 200 Pro. We've got the box right here and I can't wait to see what's inside. So let's get unboxing. Cut to a close-up of the host opening the box. First impressions matter, and the Honor 200 Pro doesn't disappoint. The packaging is sleek and minimalist with a premium feel. As we lift the lid, we're greeted with the Honor 200 Pro itself, nestled snugly in its protective tray. Underneath the phone, we've got the usual assortment of accessories. Here's the quick start guide, a clear case, and a USB-C charging cable. It's great to see a high-quality case included right out of the box. Always a nice touch. And of course, there's the power brick. Now let's take a closer look at the Honor 200 Pro itself. First off, the design is absolutely stunning. With its sleek glass back and premium metal frame, it feels both elegant and sturdy. The display is a large, vibrant AMOLED screen with minimal bezels, perfect for media consumption and gaming. As we power it up, we're greeted by Honor's signature interface. The setup process is straightforward, and the phone is already running the latest version of their custom OS. The Honor 200 Pro boasts some impressive specs, like a high-resolution camera system and a powerful processor that promises smooth performance for all your apps and games. Speaking of cameras, let's take a moment to appreciate the Honor 200 Pro's camera setup. It features a triple lens system with a main 108-megapixel sensor, a wide-angle lens, and a telephoto lens. We'll be putting this camera through its paces in our full review, but early impressions suggest that it's going to be fantastic for photography enthusiasts. The Honor 200 Pro also includes some advanced features like 5G connectivity, fast charging, and a large battery that should keep you going through the day. The build quality feels top-notch, and the performance seems incredibly smooth so far. So that's our unboxing of the Honor 200 Pro. Stay tuned for our full review, where we'll dive deeper into the performance, camera quality, and overall user experience. Before we wrap up, if you're a freelancer or content creator, managing your earnings can be a hassle. That's why I recommend checking out Payoneer. With Payoneer, you can easily receive payments and manage your funds from anywhere in the world. It's a game changer for anyone working online. Just click the link in the description to sign up and get started today. Thanks for watching the unboxing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our tech content. See you in the next video.